Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Ford Transit. So from any screen, if you go to settings, you'll see there you've got Bluetooth, clock and Bluetooth. We go on to Bluetooth. Now if you're having problems connecting or streaming music, make sure that that is switched on like so, and you've got that menu. You've got change vehicle name, add Bluetooth device, view devices. We'll click on view devices and you'll see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. That's the one we want to delete. Click on that. You can either connect or remove it. Remove Barry's iPhone 13 Pro, yes. That's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Ford Transit. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. It's on, then we're watching out at the bottom. Now you can either go to phone, which is the easiest one there, add phone, or if you go into settings, Bluetooth, there you go, change vehicle name, add a Bluetooth device. But obviously it's easier to use the phone there. So add phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
So Ford Transit's already shown up at the bottom. I click on that as it tells you to.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
591670. Yes, it does. Pair.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions while your vehicle is in motion.
Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Yes. We're just looking out. Let's try and find it. Be on here somewhere. Ford Transit connected. That's it. Ford systems, their audio system is brilliant. Dead simple to use. Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Ford Transit. First of all, we go to music. We look at the song that's playing. I've got it turned down at the moment, but you'll see there at the bottom the silver triangle and the silver circles. If I click on that, you've got a choice between iPhone and Ford Transit. It's on Ford Transit. That means any audio that I play on here will play through this system if you have it set right. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need audio. So we go to audio.
Important concept not to give away.
That's on radio at the moment. Just wait for that screen to go off. You're on radio. Up the top here, you've got sources. We click sources, and then you'll see there Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Click on that. That's what's playing at the moment. If I turn this up, day after day, that's it. That's how you stream audio. Okay, now all the things that you can do with this system, with the Ford system, if you have an iPhone and your charging lead, you click the charging, or you put the charging lead in there. It helps if you put it in the right way round, then plug it in. The first time you do this, you'll have to agree to let it sync and the Apple CarPlay work. Apple CarPlay, if you go into general settings, let's just have a look. Mobile notifications, general, CarPlay's there. So if it hadn't already come on, you just have to allow it to going into there. But now this just mirrors your iPhone, all your most important things, your phone, messages, audio books, Amazon Music, Zoom, WhatsApp, and you can send text. You can use Siri to, hey Siri, send a text to Barry Crampton.
Which phone number for Barry Crampton? 150 or iPhone?
iPhone.
What do you want to say?
Test in a car for the Apple CarPlay.
Your message to Barry Crampton says test in the car for the Apple CarPlay. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Now you see there, we've got a message received. I just click on there, see Barry Crampton, Click on that.
Barry Crampton said test in the car for the Apple CarPlay. Would you like to reply?
Yes, please.
What do you want to say?
Get some work done.
Your reply to Barry Crampton says get some work done. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent. Barry Crampton said get some work done. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Okay.
That's it. Or, hey Siri, shuffle music.
Here's some music from your Apple Music library.
It's absolutely brilliant system. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.